Hi, welcome YouTubers back to my channel. I'm super excited. This is a DIY gingerbread house challenge. I found another YouTuber that made this similar thing and used it for a tissue box holder. So I thought that is a great idea and I like to do it as well. So I am going to copy her link in the bottom so that way you can see what she did. I just wanted to, not be a total copycat without, posting where I got the inspiration from. Um, I love watching other YouTubers and seeing what they design and seeing if I can get any ideas from them. I really thought her idea was really nice, so I wanted to make one as well for my own home. So when I did that, I decided that I was going to go to the Dollar Tree and get some of these gingerbread houses and put my own twist on it. So as you may see, I'm already started cutting out my pieces, and then I'm going to go into painting them. I decided to use, it's called Pearlizing Paint of Rose Gold. And I put a little drop of black in it to sort of give it a little bit of darker of a hue, like a gingerbread. And it seemed to look really good, so I just kept doing it and painting it and everything. Thing. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and found these not real candies, but they look really real. My daughter and my husband wants to eat them because they look similar to real candy and they look really real, but they're not. And I'm going to be using some of those on the actual gingerbread house. So I can't wait to get to that point but I bought lots of them thinking I was going to need tons of it, which I really didn't need that much, but that's what I did. So keep an eye, watch what we're doing. We're going to get all this painting done first, and then we're going to get into decorating it. So please stay tuned. I really am thankful that you guys are here today. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave comments, because I would really love to have conversations with you guys and see what you think. If I don't do something right, I would love for you to tell me, because I want to try to do it the right way, just in case I don't do it right. If you don't like something that I do, I would love to hear, so that way maybe I can fix it for you guys. It's okay. I'm excited to have you guys here. So we finally got to the E6000, putting the candies on the gingerbreads. It was a long painting process. I'm so sorry you guys had to go through all that with me. But these little beads, they look like lights, even though they're not. They're like little tiny gumdrops, but they look like lights. So I decided to use the E6000 and put them all as lights, and it looked really cute. I couldn't imagine it anything other than a light, even though it's candy. Then I started putting on more candy, covering up more stuff. It was really cool. I don't know. I want to do another one because this one went so well. I just love the different colors and everything. So I'm trying to figure out other things I can do with these little beads. There has to be something. So I'm going to look into it. It was really fun. So then I got out the rest of the candies. There was so many. And I put them all in this little lid so that way I can, you know, pick and choose from what I want and get it all together. I'm starting to hate that word. I seem to say it a lot. I'm very sorry. It must be my go-to word. I have no idea. I do not know why I say it so much. Got these pipe cleaners that were really glittery also, and a little sign that says Merry Christmas. And I thought that would be cute on the door. So that's what I did on both doors to make them exactly the same. Now you're going to love what I did next. There is this fake snow that Dollar Tree sells. And I have a habit of putting things in my coffee creamer empty containers. So I decided to put glue all over the snow area, where on the roof and stuff, and on the window ledges, and take the snow and push it down into the glue. So that way it would stick. I ruined a paintbrush, but who cares, right? It's for the hobby. So I bought a lot of it, and I figured I'm going to do a few more projects with it. You can see I put it in a coffee creamer container, and that gives me more organization using these. I reuse a lot of these. I put a lot of things in them, safety pins, clips, whatever I need to do. And it's put some more glue on there. I'm like, Robin, what is wrong with me? I'm like, what did I do? Why did I do that? So then I had to do it again. And I smashed it down. And then I knocked off all the excess and put it back in my jar. So that way I can recycle it. It's always reusing what I have. But it looks really cute. The snow makes it. And here I am putting it all together. My puffs with lotion, because that's what I like. And I glue it all together. I felt like the tissue box was too low, so I got out me some of those Jenga blocks that you buy at the store, and at the Dollar Tree, and I decided to prop it up and push it up through the top a little bit, and then put the Jenga box underneath, so that way the tissue box sticks up a little bit more, because it was just too low, and you could not see the tissue when it was low. So there it is. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.